Hello everybody, Jean back with another video. We're back with the Rover Curiosity, looking at a photograph taken on the 6th of March 2022. It was Sol 3406 at the time. Credit for this one goes to Joe White from ArtAlienTV. Let's have a look at the source material and I'll show you this anomaly up close. The right navigation camera on board the Rover Curiosity took this photograph, and we'll be zooming in on that black dot in the Martian sky. Here we're looking at the photograph downloaded directly from the NASA site. I'll include the link to the page in the video description. So let's zoom in closer on the area highlighted there. To the left we have conventional magnification, and to the right, I'm showing you the same image, this time upscaled using Topaz Labs Gigapixel, which uses deconvolution in its upscaling. So check that out, folks. We can see the same shape, the same geometry, the same details show up in both versions. There it is in context, showing the surface to the bottom, the mountains there in the background, and then the strange aerial phenomena that was photographed by the Rover Curiosity. We've seen so many of these strange UFO saucer-shaped anomalies. This one has a strange part protruding out the bottom. Joe White compares that to some type of antenna potentially. So there to the right, the upscale picture, to the left, conventional magnification. So could these be drones or probes that are monitoring the progress of the rover as it makes its way through Gale Crater up into Mount Sharp? These things remain very compelling and also very mysterious. That concludes this brief presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's have a chat in the comments. Let's even get to the bottom of what this strange anomaly might be. As always, thanks for watching.